In this tutorial, I'll show you how to take the point file that we've created in that text version. This is the one that is from Excel. We're going to put that into Civil 3D. So we'll just go ahead and pull up Civil 3D. I've already loaded it up. This is the default mode that it comes in at. And in general, again, this is the Home tab, and we'll be mostly using these points here. In order to get the data in, there's different ways to do this, but easiest way, if you go to the Insert tab, and you're going to go to Points from File. Now, what we have to do here is put in the file and then select what type of file format it is. So we'll put in here my survey data. This is the edited version. Let that come in. And so you can see once you have a green check mark here that's in the appropriate file format. If this check mark is not here, you're going to have to go back and make sure that the file is formatted correctly, and that's in the one of the previous videos. And then you can see here that these values are dependent upon what is specified in the file. Now you're going to have to go all the way down to the towards the bottom here, the PNEZD. So again, the PNEZD correlates to these pieces here, to where we have the point, northing, easting, elevation, and the raw description. So you can see this gives me a preview of what those are. Those will bring in point number, northing, easting, elevation, and raw description. So if we hit OK here, and again, we won't be adding all these to the group because all yours are in various, you have various points in there. We don't want to separate them out at this point. So if you just click OK, that's going to go through and import those points. Now in order to see those points, you're going to go to your tool space. So we'll pull the tool space up to the top here so you can see it. Within tool space, in order to see your points, you want to be in the perspective portion. Settings is just kind of all the details about that. This perspective shows you all the different pieces that are actually going to be displayed on the drawing. And so you can see by this mark here that this shows that there's points in here. So if I get rid of this properties box, you can see when I click on those points, all those points have come through here. And so I can scroll back and forth in here and see that indeed the points have come through. And there's different points groups. So far that all the points are just in this all points group, and that is correct. Now nothing displays here yet, so the best way to do that is just hit Z and then A, enter. So this is zooming towards everything. Now as you zoom around in here, you can see there's a little bit of red there, and this is kind of going to be locating on, because we have so far from our origin these points. If I continue to zoom in, you know, zoom in to those points there, and you can see that my points have come through. And so this is just the basic piece of getting those points into Civil 3D. In the next video will show you how to edit what those look like there. So that is getting those points again from the file into Civil 3D.